we got green stuff. It's getting quite sticky, and we're gonna put it on these cracks. Not cracks, but you know, it's like little gaps, and we don't want that. So we're trying to get green. We're trying to sand something. Put this down in there. We're gonna wait for it to dry, and then we're gonna sand it down, and there will be no more cracks. And man, this stuff is getting sticky. Look at that. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Okay, there we go. Okay, so now basically we have spray painted this first. I don't know if this is gonna need any more layers. I mean, I know it's gonna be needing a layer of gloss because this is heirloom white. It's satin, so it's I don't think satin's really shiny. I could be wrong, but I got gloss just in case. I dropped a bunch of money on this, so I'm poor now. But we're working with what we got. Okay, so now I've spray painted the nose with this actual, I know this one's glossy, it's high gloss. I painted it with this paint, and we're gonna let that one dry. I had to cover it up with tape. Anyway, so that's that. Well, I'd like to say that worked, but it didn't. It still bled through quite a lot. And plus, I didn't sand it enough. Freaking dang it, I thought I did, but I didn't. It's fine. You can't tell from a up close or a distance. So we're just gonna deal with it, and I'm gonna cry. And yeah, so now I gotta figure out just what I'm gonna do. I think I might just cover the nose up and re-spray paint it. I think that'll probably work. Maybe. Okay, so got it spray painted. Don't mind that. That's a side project. So we got his nose painted and then we duct taped it up, and hopefully nothing will bleed through this time. I think that might need another coat after it though. And then this is definitely gonna need another coat for the top, but I'm not so sure about this bottom part. The bottom might actually be fine. Okay, so this is the orange that I used, and it might not look super good on camera, but oh my god, in real life it looks like the perfect match, and that is actually kind of surprising. So I thought maybe it was going to be a little too dark. It's not. It's actually perfect. So once it dries, we will maybe sand it if there's any drips, and then we'll have to re-spray it. But yeah, I think we're actually doing really good on this right now. That is going to be a pain in the butt to sand, and there's reasons for that. So yeah, so I'm using green stuff, and it's literally becoming a lifesaver. So as you can see over there, that little line right there on that 3D print, that is from green stuff. I didn't clean up on that side, but look, you literally cannot even tell that I used it over there. Like, it's actually crazy, especially when you sand it down. It's just so nice and smooth. Freddy, you're supposed to be on lockdown. But Vanessa, I'm a material girl. I think the regular sauce did that one time. Right now I've got this blue stripe painted on. That actually looks so good. I'm really surprised. I did use duct tape to, outline it, but that looks really freaking good. And now I gotta paint his teeth, and then I'll paint these hinges black, and then his jaw will be done. Oh, and maybe I'll paint this part like red or something. I don't know. I'll have to look at the 3D model and check like what color it is. So we shall see. Gaze in magnificence and glory at this paint job. It's actually gonna look so good. The red part, I'm hoping to make it look a lot better. Yeah, it's gonna look peak. Alright, so now I've got this duct tape on so I don't mess up this next part. This is gonna be the red part. I'm gonna freehand where it connects to the blue, and we're just gonna have to trust that it doesn't freak me over. So yeah, and there's my reference. Alright, so here is Glamrock Freddy. And he's shiny now. He's so beautiful and shiny, and we love him, and he's even got a cute little button nose. So now I have his ears printed and painted. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. I'm actually gonna have fun painting this earring because look at that. That doesn't look fun to paint. That looks evil, and I freaking hate that. But I mean, at least it's cool looking. Like, it's gonna look so good. I'm gonna be like, oh heck yeah. There's Freddy, by the way. I need to make his eyes, but I'm really considering making him robotic eyes. I really want to give him glowing eyes too, but I don't know. We will see. So now we're cooking up some eyeballs. These are gonna you know, kind of hide the inside of the mask from the eyelids, or from the eye holes, I guess. And these are the eyes, and they kind of look weird here, and I don't know how they're gonna look on the thing, on the 3D model, but we shall see. Oh my gosh, for years I have wanted Glamrock Freddy to be my friend. Gregory doesn't deserve him like I do, and now he's almost here. Oh, and if you're wondering, his eyes are over here and the gloss is drying on them. Literally, that is the last thing I have to do. And I'm really considering making them swappable. The idea is either to make them swappable or just to glue them in with something really, you know, something that will come off if I really want it to. Maybe Elmer's glue, probably hot glue. And I will basically replace them with actual animatronics and stuff, but that's probably gonna be in another video, because I don't got all that time and I don't got all that money, so that will come when the funds come. So next shot, show us the reveal. Alright, well, thank you for watching the video. Say hi, Glamrock Freddy. Hi, people.
Oh, you are my superstar.
Yeah, so, thank y'all so much for watching my videos and supporting me. I have a Patreon, go check that out if you want to help support further projects, and get sneak peeks for more projects. Lots of interesting stuff upcoming. Be very excited. Also, I am going to an arcade for a photo shoot. Time Rift Arcade. Just search it up. More details will be in the description for it, because I don't remember everything off the top of my head. But yeah, you know, it'll have dates, the date of whenever I'm going out for the photo shoot, and I'll have both my costumes, Spring Bonnie and Springtrap, and they'll both be I'll be available for, you know, taking photos with people. I will also be available for, you know, you can talk to me. I'm here. I mean, I'm a chill guy. I promise y'all. Don't be afraid to say hi. And yeah, I'm also gonna be playing some video games. So if you see me down there, challenge me. I bet you I'll beat you. I'm dominating. Anyways. So thank you for watching the video. Really appreciate it. Bye-bye.